Welcome, in front of me is an LG Velvet, and today I'll show you how to enable the power saving mode. So to get started, simply pull down the notification panel and you should see the battery saver toggle somewhere, and all you need to do is tap on it. It will give you a couple information, things like vibration will be disabled, background activity and data restrictions, always on display will be disabled, max brightness will be turned down to 90. So let's tap on turn on, and that's all it takes. Now you can also turn on a maximum power saving mode, which this one will do everything that the extended one did, and also add additional things, and also switch the device into looking kind of weird. As you can see, there is no wallpaper. The display is, well, the refresh rate of the display is just utter garbage right now. It's like 30. So it drops in performance, it drops in brightness, it drops in wallpaper, and basically gives you whatever you only need to preserve as much battery as it can. And once you're done, all you need to do is just simply hold the toggle and move it back to off, and this will go back to being in a normal mode, as you can see. So if you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.